This demo shows how BCM managers can use the CMDB source to update the dependencies in a business impact analysis, or BIA. They can also use the same process for business continuity plans, or BCPs, and events. We'll use the business process account receivable asset in the demo. For the record in the CMDB process, we'll use accounts receivable. For this process, we see the dependency graph with its multiple asset dependencies. The first step is to import these dependencies into a BIA, so we create a new one. Then we select the business process impact assessment template that the administrator has created. The BIA is created on the business process and the accounts receivables asset is selected. Now we save the BIA. Once the BIA is saved, we can view its details. The dependency assessment is created for it as shown in the Assessments tab. In the dependency assessment, these assets from CMDB should be pulled up or fetched. We select the dependency assessment to view the dependencies added in the BIA by the owner. In the dependency panel, classes such as applications, hardware, software, and vendors that we can pull from the CMDB are displayed. The CMDB can have multiple classes, but only a few of those might be relevant. We select relevant classes and then create element definitions for them in the BCM application. These definitions indicate the classes required for the BCM application. BCM users can select the Update Dependencies UI action. The system then accesses the CMDB and reads all those dependencies that are listed in the dependencies graph. Once the system has read all dependencies, it pulls them and inserts them into the BIA. The system reads only those dependencies for which element definitions have been created. For example, if you have element definitions created for applications, hardware, software, vendors but not for data center zone, the system does not pull dependencies for the data center zone element definition, its children and grandchildren from the CMDB. The dependencies are derived from the source. For example, if you don't have an element definition for the computer room, it does not pull the data center zone, as they are its children as shown in the graph. The reading stops if the element definition is not found for it. Once dependencies are updated, the user can see all the dependencies that have been added. Dependencies such as computer room, Linux server, Windows server, and data center zone are added. When a dependency is removed from the source, or it is no longer valid within its element definition, the system marks its status in source as invalid. The dependency update configuration is available for the impact analysis, planning, and event records. The dependency update configuration records are used to configure the sources to pull from different notifications and filter criteria. You may also automate your dependencies update using our scheduled job. All scheduled jobs configurations can be found within the dependency update configuration. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.